How to like a game on Roblox Mobile. In this tutorial, I will show you step-by-step how to like a game on Roblox Mobile. The first step is to open or launch the Roblox application, just like you can see here. This is the home page of the app. From here, go ahead and select any game that you would like to play and open it. Once the game opens, scroll down on the games page until you reach the section where the like and dislike buttons are located. These buttons allow you to show whether you enjoy the game or not. Go ahead and tap on the like button if you want to like the game. Once you tap it, your like will be added to the game, and this will be reflected in the total number of likes shown. However, in some cases, the like feature may not work for you. If that happens, do not worry, there is a solution. Exit the game and return to the home page of the Roblox app. From here, look at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on the option named More. This option is represented by 3 dots. Once you tap on it, you will land on the More page, where you will see several options. From these options, look for the Settings option and tap on it. On the Settings page, tap on Account Info. Once the page loads, make sure you verify that your email address and phone number are confirmed. The reason the like option may not work is that Roblox requires accounts to have verified information to use all features. Once you have verified your phone number and email address, return to the game and try again. This time, you should be able to like the game successfully. The process is that simple. I hope this tutorial has helped you solve the problem you were facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to like a game on Roblox Mobile.